Y'all know that joke about that cartoon where somebody climbs out on a limb and saws a limb out from under himself? I'm not going to do that with y'all. I'm going to saw off the part that y'all are sitting on though. So I'll just put y'all down yonder where you'll be safe from the vibrational impact of the destructive influence of this tool that I'm about to use of gigantic proportions, which is made to eat metal. Oh, I put the door up, and I'm not finished with the door, but I got the tent on there enough so that you can see what it's going to look like. And you may be able to see what I was talking about. That I wanted the lines on the door to run up and down like they do. I didn't want them to be running sideways, so I particularly hung them the way they are. And what I'll wind up doing is putting handles inside and make this one a little easier to handle. Handles to make it easier to handle. And I got two of them. My thinking is, you know, when I get ready to put these away, I can take the one and kind of lay it down and spin it around and lean it up against the wall. Take the other one, do the same thing, lean it up against the wall, and just leave them there until I get ready to put those back up. And I don't think it'll be at all hard to fasten a locking system. People say all the time things like, you shouldn't be telling people about your security. So in regards to that, let me just say this. I've been making YouTube videos since before most people knew YouTube existed. And I made about 7,000 YouTube videos. And I worked in a line of work that I can't talk about, but I can say that there's a lot I learned about security and computers and electronics. And you may just ask yourself, do you reckon that old ignorant looking old hillbilly knows anything about security, internet security? So just ask yourself that. All I'm going to say is I ain't answering no questions. I might talk about all kinds of things. Leave it at that. Love y'all.